Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. So in today's video, we are going to do this question in a very simple way. Whenever you get this type of question where you need to add like these numbers, when it is starting from 1, 2, 3, these are consecutive numbers, right? There is no gap. So whenever you get this type of series, you just need to remember one formula. What is that formula? Actually, that formula is if you add 1 plus 2 up to 3 up to so on n, okay, it can be n can be 10, 11, 12, whatever. Like here we have n is 2000, so you just need to apply this formula, n times n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so here n is actually 2000. Here we have n is 2000. So in this case our answer will be 2000 times 2001 by 2, right? Now we can cancel this out. We will get 1000 here. And now if I multiply these two, this is nothing but 2001 and 000, right? So we have, do we have this option here? Yes, this is option B.